Hello everyone, today we are going to learn a new chapter that is more about the keyboard. I think you know what is keyboard, and keyboard has many keys and we can type and give commands to the computer with the help of keyboard. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to learn about some important keys on the computer keyboard and know more about the function of these keys. Okay, so a keyboard has many keys: alphabet keys, number keys, enter key, space bar key. So these are the main keys. Alphabet keys and number keys are used to type words and number. Enter key is used to jump to the next line. Spacebar key is the longest key. It is used to add space. So we can learn about some more keys on a keyboard. First one, caps lock key. So caps lock key is on the left of alphabet key A. When the caps lock key is on, the green light glows on the keypad near the caps lock label on the top right side of the keyboards. The caps lock key is used to type alphabet in capitals. So in this caps lock key is used to type alphabets in capital letters. So for example, when you are writing, when you have to touch that key and when become its on and the green light is glowing, and when you are type I study in class 2, and when that time you have to touch that key caps lock on, the sentence will be appear as I study in class 2 with the capital letters. Okay, so whenever the caps lock key is off, the green light does not glow. Also the letters and V type appears in small letters on the computer screen. So when we are typing time, you have to you have to press the key, caps lock key. When it is on, the letters will be on the screen, we can see on the capital letters. When it is off, we can see that when we are typing time, we can see in the monitor all the letters are in small letters. We can see that when the key is on, when a green light is glowing, and at the same time it is when it is off, we can see it does not light. Okay, so for example, when we type I study in class 2 with the caps lock key off, the sentence will appear as I study in class 2 with the capital letters, and when it is off, it will be in small letter. Okay, so first one is caps lock key. Next one is cursor control key. Cursor control key. A small blinking line that shows where the next letter or number will appear on the computer screen is known as cursor. As you know what is cursor. So when a small blinking line that shows whenever the next letter or a number will appear on the computer screen is known as cursor. If we want to type a different place, we can change the position of the cursor. The cursor can be moved left and right or up and down by pressing the 4 keys that have arrows on them. These 4 keys are called cursor control keys. So, up arrow key moves in the cursor up, down arrow keys moves in cursor down, left arrow key moves cursor left, right arrow key moves the cursor right. So in a keyboard, we can see 4 keys with arrow mark. One is up, then one is down, one is left, one is right. So when we want to give the direction of the sentences or the words, we can press that arrow keys. So it will be four direction. It will be show 4 direction, and it can be control where we want to write the sentences. So cursor can be moved left or right or up and or down by pressing the 4 keys, and these 4 keys are called cursor control keys. Okay, so these are cursor control keys. There are 4 cursor control keys, and it is help to give the direction to what we are writing. So the one is up, one is down, another is left, and another is right. And the next one is backspace key. A backspace key removes or erases the character on the left of the cursor. This key helps to correct typing mistakes. A character is anything that we type using keyboard. So next one is backspace key. So when we are, this key is help to correct by the typing mistake, and we can erase the mistakes or remove the mistakes. Okay, so we want to write, for example, we want to write a word keyboard. By mistake, spelling is wrong. We can keep our cursor into the into the word, and by using the backspace, it can be removed. Okay, another important key is delete key. Delete key erase or remove any character that is present in the right of the cursor. Next key is shift key. There are 2 shift keys on a keyboard. So some keys on the keyboard have 2 characters. Shift key is used to along with those keys to type the upper character on them. When we have to write a sentence, we have to use some characters. At the same time, we can't. It will be appears on the numbers. So we have to use the shift key, and along with the character, we can see that it will be appear on the screen. For example, you have noticed the key and on the number key 7. To type and, press the number key 7 along with the shift key. Then the character will be appear on the screen. So the next one is home key. Home key moves the cursor to the start of the line. Next one is end key. Home key moves the cursor to the start of the line, but the end key moves the cursor to the end of the line. Next one is num lock key. As we know, when we are typing the caps lock key, it will be, when we on that key, it will be glowing like a green. The same like that, when we on the num lock key, a green light glows the keypad near the num lock label on the top right side of the keyboard. You can use the numeric keyboard only if the num lock is on. Here we can see one yellow color picture, and that is that has been colored in yellow, so you can see that one. When the num lock key is pressed, these keys let you enter the numbers quickly and easily. It can be used for the keypad is helpful for when we are doing the calculation, and it will become very easy to do. So when the num lock is off, these keys can be used as a cursor control keys. Okay, so these are the main keys of computer. So one more time we can check out that which are the main keys. So alphabet key, number keys, enter key, spacebar key, these are the main keys, and spacebar is the longest key of the keyboard. And next one is caps lock key. Caps lock key is using when we are typing, we want to write in a capital letters, you can use caps lock key. And the cursor control key, there are four cursor control keys there: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. So this is providing direction of the letters or the sentences. Next one is backspace key. So backspace key and delete key we can use to correct our mistakes. And the next one is shift key. Shift key, there are 2 shift keys are there. When we want to write a character, we can use shift, and we have to press the shift key along with the character. Then the character will appear on the screen. The next one is home key and end key. Home key moves the cursor to the start of the line. End key moves the cursor to the end of the line. And the last one important is num lock key. Numlock key is using to numeric keypad and it is using for the calculation. And when we have on that numlock key, we can see a green light glows on the keyboard near the numlock label on the top. So these are the main keys on the computer. Okay, I hope you understood this one.